Hi there, Sean from Laws Insurance. Hope you're well. Today I want to talk about excess and how excess applies to you, in particular for home invasion or for a carjacking or for your home just being robbed, basically. I had a question from a client a few weeks ago and they said, we have someone break into our home, the home was unlocked and they steal the cars. So what excess applies? I said, it depends on your insurance, and a lot of the time it depends on what kind of security you have. Some insurers will pay for that. So if someone breaks into your home and it's unlocked, there's no forced entry, some insurers will go, yep, that's okay, we'll cover whatever's stolen. Other ones will need forced entry. Or direct insurers in particular will frown upon not having any forced entry, whereas some of the other insurers will be fine with that. So you'll have an excess. If something's broken or stolen as they come in through the house, that'll be under your home insurance. And like so often here in Cairns, a lot of people are breaking into the homes and they're looking not so much for the items in the home, but looking for car keys or whatever they can grab. So they're breaking into your home, stealing the car keys and then stealing your car. So in that instance, it's not just the one excess. If they've broken into the home, that's your first excess. And if they steal the cars, that's your second excess. So there's two excesses there. I do remember the story of one of our clients down in Townsville. She was broken into from the back door. It wasn't actually locked. So they thought they locked up the house, but the back door was open. Some intruders came through the back door. They stole a phone, car keys, and a handbag. And before they could do anything else, our client woke up and scared them off and they ran off. Unfortunately for our client though, she didn't have a lock on her phone, so they could easily read through there. And she was going on holiday to Bali in about 2 or 3 days after the break-in. So she didn't even think about getting any locks changed. And the people who broke in went through her phone and saw, oh, this person's going away. So what happened was our client went away, and it's the day after she went away, the people who had stolen everything rolled up in a removalist van, and the neighbours didn't know our client very well, so they thought, oh, must be moving. So they had the keys, they had the phone, so they got in there, no problem in there, cleared out the entire house, including the other 2 cars that were that parked there, and drove off. And then she got home from holiday, the whole house was cleared out. Now, luckily for her, the insurance she had in place did cover that, but in a lot of circumstances, insurance wouldn't cover that, depending on who she's with. Another one we get a lot to is, who's responsible and who pays the excess if the car's been hit when it's in a parking lot or a supermarket, shopping centre? What's there? Is it someone else's responsibility? Unfortunately, if you don't have the name or the details of who hit you, and a lot of times some people back out and they just drive off, and it's the kind of the world we live in. Unfortunately, any damage done to the car is on yourself. So yeah, a lot of the time if you have a high excess, it might be better off just to get it fixed yourself, but unfortunately, the excess is for you. Another one I get to as well is if 2 cars are backing out at the same time, if you back out and someone backs out and hits you, who's responsible? Well, that's what's called shared responsibility. Unfortunately, again, if you're both backing out at the same time, you both have to pay your own excess to get the cars fixed. It's the same if you're merging and relaying the traffic as well. So you're coming from right or left and someone's hitting and you hit at the same time, it's the same, it's a shared responsibility. You paying your own excess there. So I guess the important thing is here when there's accidents like that or people have hit your car or into your home, before you go making a claim, have a look, see what your excess is. Sometimes it might be more affordable just to pay it out yourself than make a claim on the excess. But in all instances, if you're not sure, give someone a call or give a broker a call especially. And if you're not sure about anything in Cairns in particular, give us a call here at Lords. We'll be happy to help you. Thanks.